Hey guys, today I'm going to do my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing video. For this glam bag, I received my items here in the Beauty Glam Bag. And then I also received a separate item. It is from Rael Beauty Hydration Refresh and Moisturize Facial Sheet Mask. So this beauty box came with 6 different things. This is the March 2020 bag, and I got the Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty, the curl friend. And I might not curl my hair until it's about like here, because I just recently cut it, so I don't think I'm gonna be curling my hair unless I could just give this to my little sister that has curly hair. She will probably get more use of this than I will. Here came the Pacifica eyeshadow palette. It's cute. It has very nice packaging. It has golden little designs. It has a little tiger on it, so it's cute. Doesn't really have a scent to it, but it's cute. It has like 5 little shades, and then it has an applicator in the bottom. I also got the Shaina B Miami Illuminator or highlighter. Yeah, it's a highlight slash illuminador. It's in the shade Beachy. Doesn't have a mirror, but I will swatch it for you. I had previously swatched it, but there it is. So I have 2 more items. I have the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner. I really like this brand. I had a gel moisturizer from this brand. It was so cutely packaged. The only thing is that I think it was a little bit expired. It said it was like 9 months or 6 months of expiration, and I had it on for too long. I had too many things from previous boxes that I didn't use, and then I just broke out a little bit over here, so then I stopped using it, unfortunately. But I think I would have done a very great job if it wouldn't have been expired. Hopefully this is gonna work as good as the other product, but you know, way better because it's not expired, it's brand new. So here is the swatch. Came out very dark, it felt wet, so maybe it's one of those that dries out later on. Yeah, you do have to be careful. Don't touch it because it does tint. So yeah, since it came out wet, of course it's gonna take a little time to dry out. And then the 6th item that I have here is Tatcha the water cream. Pore Perfecting Japanese Wild Rose for normal to oily skin. That's great because I have oily skin, so it's gonna work for me, hopefully. I've only used this one. I've used I used the promo code in Sephora and I got one of these. So I've only used it twice, so I don't really know if it's gonna work, but you know, if it's gonna work, it's good because I also have this one, so I have 2. I don't have to use it and then be totally obsessed with it, and then I'll have to buy the whole item because I think this brand is very expensive. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and please like, share, and subscribe to this video and to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.